Alright, people of New York City, this Chainsaw Man update video um uh, is for uh, is for everybody within the New York area or just on the East Coast in general. Because guys, if if you are near the New York area or are currently residing in New York, and uh, 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 the people behind Chainsaw Man's anime have just revealed that 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 they have a very special surprise in store for Chainsaw Man fans of the U.S. because on Friday, October 7th, if you live in New York or 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 are just from here on the East Coast in general, but this is only specifically for the New York area. On Friday, October the 7th, you will be able to watch episode 1 of Chainsaw Man anime with not only the English dub premiere of the episode, but there will also be an exclusive panel showcasing with the English dub cast. So again, guys, Chainsaw Man will be making its U.S. English dub premiere on Friday, October the 7th. And you can purchase tickets to go watch the first episode of Chainsaw Man in all of its glory in English on October the 7th, before the rest of the world, and I think even before Japan bears witness to it. So again, everybody, if you're on the if you live here on the East Coast and are in or can afford a trip to New York, you can you, you can now try and go buy a ticket to watch the first episode of Chainsaw Man in English dub, and before anybody else here in America, and I think even before Japan does. So again, guys, this event will be on Friday, October the 7th. Again, unfortunately, I do not know where you can purchase tickets, but again, for anybody that's been hungry to finally see Denji and Power animated, you can go watch Chainsaw Man in New York with the English dub premiere on Friday, October the 7th. Have a good one, everybody.